In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 features a self-developed silent motherboard that enhances motion performance, ensures silent printing, and operates at low decibels. It is equipped with a UL-certified branded power supply, concealed within the machine for safety. The filament feed-in process is made effortless with the addition of a rotary knob on the extruder, enhancing user experience with a new operation UI system and 4.3-inch smart color screen. Additionally, the printer offers a resume printing function that allows it to resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after unexpected power outages. The inclusion of a carborundum glass platform enables quicker hotbed heating, better adhesion of prints, and ultra-smoothness, even on the first layer. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Mega S 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Mega S 3D Printer is a device that is designed for easy and quick assembly, with only 3 steps involving 8 screws and 3 cables. This feature caters to both expert users and beginners. It offers a printing volume of 8.27 by 8.27 by 8.07 inches. The printer includes an upgraded extruder design with a Titan extruder that ensures precise extrusion and compatibility with various filaments, reducing the risk of clogging and enhancing printing accuracy. Moreover, the Mega S 3D printer is equipped with a feature that allows it to resume printing after a power outage or unexpected stoppage. It can also detect when the filament runs out, pausing prints and alerting the user. The printer's platform surface is coated with a patented microporous coating called ANYCUBIC Ultrabase, which facilitates adhesion during printing and easy removal of prints when cooled. Additionally, the ANYCUBIC Mega S offers various functions such as a rigid metal frame to minimize shaking, a double rod motor for durability and precision, and a TFT touchscreen for user-friendly operation. Number 3. FlashForge Finder 3D Printer. The FlashForge Finder 3D printer boasts a user-friendly design, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users alike. Its standout feature is the slide-in build plate, allowing for easy removal of printed objects. This convenience simplifies the printing process and reduces the risk of damaging completed prints during removal. Its 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen interface, adorned with intuitive icons, enhances the overall user experience by making operation straightforward and hassle-free. Users can navigate through the printer's functionalities with ease, reducing the learning curve typically associated with 3D printing. Constructed with a sturdy plastic alloy, the FlashForge Finder ensures stable prints, contributing to the quality and reliability of the final output. Additionally, its non-heated build plate adds an extra layer of safety, especially beneficial for users concerned about potential hazards associated with heated components. Number 4. QIDI X123D Printer. The QIDI X123D printer is an ideal choice for families and schools looking to introduce 3D printing into their environments. Its user-friendly design ensures that even beginners can start printing with ease right out of the box. The printer features QIDI Technology's single extruder system, which significantly reduces the risk of extruder clogs, ensuring smoother printing experiences. With its sturdy metal frame and heated bed, the QIDI X12 supports printing with a variety of filament types, including ABS, PLA, and TPU. This versatility allows users to explore different materials for their projects, whether it's for educational purposes in schools or for creating practical items at home. One of the standout features of the QIDI X12 is its 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen interface, which is equipped with intuitive icons for easy navigation and operation. This user-friendly interface streamlines the printing process, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. Number 5. GIANTARM A10M 3D Printer. The GIANTARM A10M 3D printer offers a range of features tailored to meet the demands of both hobbyists and professionals alike. Its standout feature is the mixed color printing function, made possible by its dual extruder module and 2-in-1-out hot end. This allows users to print multiple colors on the same piece, enabling customization and the creation of unique color combinations. In addition to its color capabilities, the A10M boasts printing resuming functionality, equipped with a filament detector and break resuming capacity. In the event of a power outage, prints can be resumed from the last layer, saving time and reducing material waste. Assembly is made convenient with the A10M, as it comes 90% pre-assembled with a modularized design, facilitating easier setup for users. Its large printing area, utilizing the Prusa i3 printer gantry, measures at 220x220x260 superscript 3, ensuring ample space for sizable printing projects while guaranteeing excellent printing quality.